Alright, what's up guys? Not much. Today, gonna start working on transmission. Transmission going in the MR2, we gotta clean this thing up. I mean, it just came obviously straight out of the junkyard. So, yeah, it's pretty rusty. It's kind of corroded, it's got stuff all over it. We're gonna try to clean it up. First, I'm gonna just kind of strip it down, take all the unnecessary stuff off. We're not gonna need I'm not gonna need these engine mounts because I'm putting it in the MR2. So we're probably gonna strip these mounts. I don't know. I've been thinking about it. If you guys think we should wire wheel this whole thing and give it like a polished kind of look, I thought about doing that. That's a pretty good idea. Somebody suggested that. But I mean, as far as that, that might be a lot of work. But if it's something you guys want to see, I could care less. Might take a little bit of time to wire wheel the whole thing to clean it off, or just kind of clean it and strip it right now. So we do have to clean it and strip it before we wire wheel it, or I might paint it if you guys want to see it like black, or maybe like a polished color, or even a gray silver, something like that. But all right, well, let's go ahead and let's get this thing stripped.
Now we are halfway there, we're keeping focus on that. Maybe together we're gonna scare the fear itself. Maybe the thunder won't even let us reach tomorrow. Feel adventurous, embrace the pain. When I'm with you, that's how I do. We are gonna run the night away. Now we are one, and like you, I want you.
All right, guys. So wrapped up on transmission. It looks pretty clean. I don't really have no complaints with it. It looks a lot better. Still waiting on it to dry over here, but if you guys got a fucking color or anything we think we should do it, or if we should just polish it, because that doesn't look too bad if we polish the whole thing, but it'll probably take a while to do if we polish the whole trans. But I mean, I don't really care. So whatever you guys want to see, we'll go ahead and probably start working on the engine next. This trans, we'll just go ahead and send it out. I don't even know, honestly. I brought the PPG gears for the trans, but should I put them in now, or should I blow this trans up and then just go ahead and put them in then? I don't know, because I kind of want to see what the limit is on the stock K trans, because I'd like to know what the limit is. So when I push the EP up some more on the power zone, at least I know when it does pop, so I know what to keep it under on the EP. So I don't know, guys. We might make another video soon, whatever you guys want to see next. I'm probably working on the engine. I'm still debating on which engine we should use, because we still have either the stroker motor or the 20. So we either do a 24 bottom end with a 20 head, or just straight K20 and see what we can do with it. So still got both to pick from, but all right, guys, later.